So what's going on with silver, everybody? The price pulled back twice. Let me just show you what's going on because now we're preparing for another jump up. Look at this. Last pullback was here around the 96. We pulled back until the 79, and we have three buyers, I think, big buyers came first around the beginning of this year once we have a huge jump. The second was around here, around the 65. And the third was here once we jumped 30% up around the 72 and we reverse. Now we have another preparation for another reversal of 30%, guys. So watch out. We have an interesting level right now around the almost the 85. This is the current resistance for silver to break in order to give us another squeeze up. I'm watching this support as well. We have double bottom around the 83 and the other support around the 81. So we have someone doubling down on silver twice last Friday. And of course, Friday it was a really interesting day because at Thursday we have a big buyer as well. Friday doubling down here, and the market held perfectly even before the close on Friday. So what we gonna expect today at the market opened around almost 12 a.m. in the morning. Central European time, what we should expect. The best reaction or the perfect reaction is gapping up of, let's see, 1%. Yeah, gapping up 1% will be confirmation that we're going to have a green week for silver and go toward the 86 first level, then the 89 and the 93. Let me just see how much we can do here. We can do at least 9% on the first day on Monday or Tuesday, but the major level that I expect that we're going to go to is around the 30% jump as we did before, around the 109 for this week will be the best case scenario for silver to go around the 109. This is my target at least at the month of March, and after that we might have a pullback of 1 week to week. So now it is a turning point, guys, because as you can see here, we're still holding the low that we did back on the mid of February. We have a pullback. This is a correction, and now is preparing for another jump. Let me just show you the other bullish side for the chart after this huge jump. The bullish side was here after we did 30% reversal because we broke this line. This is really major level of resistance. Before I forget, guys, I went all in before disclose our our content always for educational purposes, and we're not financial advisors. So always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. Usually I put it on the beginning, but I forgot I was focusing on the short and I forgot to say the disclaimer. Anyway, so my point here, guys, 30% for silver. This is the level that we might go to if we held the current support around probably over the 81 and break the 85 by today at the market open. This will be the best case scenario. We're going to discuss silver and stocks. Usually we do major update for mini stocks. Early stocks, last time we did the earning play for AVGO after we broke this flag. The same that happened for silver. You see the chart is kind of resembled the same. After we broke this bearish channel, we have a bullish channel for AVGO. We did over 10% after the earnings. So you see trading or even the short play major role for predicting the market at the same time is the same um, wherever you go. If you learn how to trade in silver, you'll be good trader on other stocks because they are the same uh, rules and the same price action. However, they change a bit for the volatility, changing a bit. Maybe we have a fake outs on some stocks, less volatility on other. So it's not exactly the same, but they are in interest, like deep down is the same. It's like a human being, it's like someone black, someone white, and this is the superficial stuff. But if you go down deeper, we are the same in the quantum fundamental level. Everybody's the same. You, rock, monkey, fish, whatever. We are the same fundamentally, but yeah, superficially we're not the same. So as we said, guys, we're gonna discuss silver, and we watching and trading silver for today. And it's back to a nice breakout, at least around the 1%. If it did, this is will be a game on. So let me know in comment section below. Are we gonna have a green week? Are we gonna have a 30% jump around the 119 or not? Let me know, or around the 109, not 119, 109. Let me know in comment section below. Thank you for watching, and see you by tomorrow, of course, before the market open by 30 minutes to discuss the market live and trade silver live together. So don't forget to hit the subscribe and the like button. Thank you for watching, and see you all back by tomorrow.